The book that I am going to read you is another National Geographic Kids book, and it is about storms. Miriam Bush Goyne is the author. So let's read to learn about storms. Storms are something that some people really enjoy, but other people don't like them and they're scared of them. So it's really just all a matter of opinion. I know some of us like storms and some of us do not. All right, so here's our table of contents. Let's get started reading. Weather. Storms are important. Living things need fresh water from rain and snow. Wind can help clean the air. Weather cools and heats our planet, so it is just right for life. Clouds are made of drops of water so small they float. These clouds look heavy and gray. Can you hear the wind blow? Leaves wave back and forth on branches. What's happening? Wild, wonderful, stormy weather. And here's a weather word they're wanting us to learn. Weather is what it's like outside. Remember, it changes quickly. Thunder and lightning. Flash! Boom! In these storm clouds, the drops of water have frozen. Little ice crystals are bumping wildly against big crystals. This makes lightning. Lightning heats the air quickly. This very fast temperature change makes sound waves. The sound is thunder. It says a crystal is a shape that is the same on many sides. So it tells us here that all of those frozen ice crystals bumping wildly make the lightning, and then the sound of thunder is because of the sound waves from the temperature changing. Lightning is electricity. It is hotter than the sun. Some lightning jumps from cloud to cloud. Some jumps from the ground to the sky. Lightning can make loops and patterns in the sky. It can even roll in a ball. Lightning bolts can travel 60 miles or more. And remember, electricity is the energy that can be natural or man-made. And this right here, it says this is ribbon lightning. It happens when strong winds push the lightning bolt sideways. Hailstorm. Thunk, clunk. Some thunderstorms make hailstones. Hailstones are not stones. They are ice. Ice crystals in some thunderclouds get tumbled in the cloud. They get bigger and bigger until they are so heavy they fall. Hail can be big or small. It can be round or long. So this right here, it says it's an unusually big hailstone. They're not usually that big. They're usually about this size right here. You can see all these little pieces in the grass. Tornado. Strong winds blow. Dark clouds cover the sky. Hail falls. Suddenly, it is quiet. In the distance, a cone-shaped funnel cloud touches the ground. Tornado, twister, cyclone. These are all names for a fierce, fast twisting wind. Over water, tornadoes are called waterspouts. Now a funnel is a cone shaped, and it's like a cone. You know what those look like. It's wider at the top and it's thinner at the bottom. So that's why they call them funnel clouds. Okay? And this is what a thin tornado looks like. There's a joke here. What is a tornado's favorite game? Twister. All right, sandstorms. This is something we don't usually see here in Indiana, but they happen in other places. A wall of wind picks up sand. As the wind crosses the land, it picks up more sand. The wall grows higher. When it roars past, it can knock down fences. In Australia, they call the storms willy willies. In Sudan, they call them haboobs. Blizzard. Snowflakes fall from very cold clouds. A cold wind blows the snow so hard you cannot see in front of you. Snowflakes are ice crystals in a blizzard. There are billions and trillions of snowflakes. And look, they showed us what the number 1 trillion looks like. Look at all those zeros. A monsoon. Monsoons are wind that change each season. India has only 2 seasons. Winter monsoons are dry. Summer monsoons bring lots of rain. Everyone cheers because the rain will help food grow. Hurricane. It is late summer. Dark clouds form over the ocean. Strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon. Hurricane winds knock down houses. Water floods streets and homes. Hurricane winds spin in a circle. The middle of a hurricane is still and calm. It is called the eye of the storm. And hurricanes can only happen over water. Out of this world. Where are the worst storms? Not on Earth. Jupiter's hurricane has been blowing for more than 400 years. In 2006, a lightning storm on Saturn lasted for weeks. The lightning bolts were more than 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune has winds that blow 900 miles per hour. Right here, this arrow is pointing. Do you see that circular area right there? That is Jupiter's hurricane, and it's called the Great Red Spot. Guess. All right, we're going to have to make some guesses here. Storms are made of many small parts. Together with wind, these tiny bits are strong. Guess what each tiny bit is. So look right here. I want you to guess what that is. Okay, look right here. Guess what that is. And now let's look at C. Guess what that is. And look at D. Guess what that is. All right, let me tell you. These are sand grains. These are snowflake crystals. These are raindrops. Looks like they're on a leaf. And these are hail pellets up close. House for a storm. This home is on stilts. After a monsoon, water and mud flow under the house. In a sandstorm, this tent keeps sand out. An underground storm cellar keeps people safe during a tornado. Wild animals, wild weather. In blizzard winds, these muskoxen huddle together. They face the wind so their bodies stay warmer. In a haboob, camels shut a second pair of eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. Their long, thin nostrils and extra hairy ears keep sand out. In monsoon rains, some monkeys keep dry in buildings or under branches. Other monkeys don't mind getting wet. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed our book.